Two Halifax County women are now facing criminal charges after police believe they abused children at a local daycare.
Now police say they believe there could be even more victims. CBS 17's Holden Krowicki has been in Roanoke Rapids today getting answers.
Roanoke Rapids police tell me they started investigating Gingerbread House Preschool back in November, and since that time, 5 families have come forward with stories of abuse. Roanoke Rapids Police Chief Bobby Martin told me his investigators have substantiated 2 cases already and have filed misdemeanor child abuse charges against Olivia Ulrich and Taisha Pearson, one of whom was caught on camera picking a 2-year-old up by her leg. After digging through records, I've learned that since 2017, the Department of Health and Human Services has inspected Gingerbread House 15 times and found violations on 9 occasions, including 6 violations in 2019 alone, leading some to question how the preschool is still open.
Anytime that we're dealing with children, we always want to make sure that our children are safe. When we send them somewhere, we want to make sure that the facility we're sending them to, they're being watched appropriately, treated appropriately, and we don't want to have to worry about them as parents while we're off work.
Both suspects in this case are due in court February 5th. Now, if you believe your child was a victim of abuse, you're being asked to call the Roanoke Rapids Police. In Roanoke Rapids, Holden Krowicki, CBS 17 News.
Holden, thank you. Now, we reached out to the owner of Gingerbread House Daycare. She declined comment. At this time, the daycare is still open for business.